Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a African black soap growth shampoo. So this is for my business owners out there that don't know where to start, but they want to make a shampoo with African black soap that helps with stimulating hair growth. I have this hair growth shampoo that I have sold for 5 years now, and I've sold this to thousands of customers, and everyone has told me about how good the lather is, how it's helped with dandruff, how it's helped with itchy scalp, and just benefiting them in their healthy hair journey. So I do have an ebook that breaks down every single step. So it's going to teach you about the ingredients, the free formulation. I have a free formula you can use for your own business. It's going to teach you where to get the packaging, where to get the ingredients, so you don't have to source on your own and waste time. Everything is included in this ebook, and it's straight to the point so that you can get started with your business right away. This is such an amazing shampoo to add to your hair care business if you are someone who is looking to help others with growing their hair or just itchy scalp. So make sure you check out this ebook. It's amazing for beginner business owners. I wish I had this kind of reference when I was starting out. I had to do lots of research, learn it on my own, learn how to figure out ingredients, learn how to look for packaging, look for the correct ingredients to use that are top quality. So all of this is included in this ebook, like I said, plus a free formula for you guys. So it will be linked in the description box. Make sure you check it out if you're a business owner and you're trying to get your business started, because this is a must have for an amazing price. So make sure you check it out. I hope you guys all enjoyed this quick video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.